1739 Longwood, Lyndhurst, Ohio. This property has just gotten going. It's a nice property. 2-car garage, big backyard, but we had to get everything roughed out. So let's go inside, see what we've done here. So all the dry lock and everything's ready to go. Got all, that washer I think does work, so we're going to keep it. All this is nice. So we did get the bathroom all in. As you can see, there's the box, there's all that. So all things are set up here. Good. Let's go upstairs. We're going to get all these ripped out and done. This is going to be gone, this refrigerator. So you can see we got all this tore out, trashed out, all the carpet. We had to get all this siding stuff off here. So all that is gone. Can't leave that on there because the paint will just chip off. So this really had to be prepped and done correctly. And it has been, so all the wallpaper is gone. And we're gonna have a guy come in and do this, the epoxy. This is all gonna be redone, painted, luxury vinyl. So there's all that. And so let's go upstairs. And again, they just prepped it all out. Nice big bedroom up here. All that wallpaper is gone. Here. Oh my God. So, got 2 bedrooms up here. So everything's been prepped, ready to go. So we'll start painting this, getting it all put together. We've ordered the central air, all that good stuff. And again, this has been a great find for us. So all good. So this is your update video. Will be some big differences next week. Again, if you're looking for real estate, income real estate, this is the place to be. This one's in Lyndhurst. It'll get about $18.50 a month. 216-703-5740. I'm Brett with Key Realty. Thanks and have a great day. Check out my websites below.